In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge videos in Vimeo using the video editor. We're keeping this simple and clear so you can follow along in real time. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to save your combined video without any guesswork. Before you begin, make sure the clips you want to merge are already uploaded to your Vimeo account. Start by heading to Vimeo in your web browser and sign in if you're prompted. Once you're in, look at the left-hand toolbar and click Library. This is where all your uploaded videos live. Choose the video you want to use as your starting point. Open that video, then find the editing option on the left side and click it. From there, select Video Editor. This opens Vimeo's built-in editor where you'll put everything together. Inside the editor, look toward the toolbar and click Media. Then open Library. You'll see your collection of videos. Here, find the clip you want to merge with your base video and add it. Vimeo will place it in the editing panel below, which is essentially your timeline. If the clip appears before or on top of the first video, simply position it so it follows right after your base clip. You should now see both videos lined up in sequence. Take a moment to preview your timeline by pressing play in the editor. This helps you confirm that the order is correct and the transition between clips feels right. If you need to add more than one clip, repeat the same action from Media, then Library, and add the next video. Each added clip will appear in the panel below, creating a continuous sequence. When everything looks good, click Save. You'll typically find the Save button in the upper area of the editor. Saving applies your changes to the project, so the merged version is kept together. Depending on the size and length of your videos, Vimeo may take a moment to process the update. Keep the tab open while it finishes so nothing gets interrupted. That's it. You went to Vimeo, opened your library, launched the video editor from the editing menu, added your clip from the media library into the editing panel below, and saved your merged video. For best results, give the finished video a quick playback once processing completes to make sure everything sounds and looks the way you expect. And remember, you can always return to the editor to make adjustments using the same steps.